In this video, we'll review the Lakka and see if it's actually good. So right here, you can see the Lakka review, and Lakka is actually a popular lightweight open source retro gaming OS built on RetroArch. It's praised for its console-like XMB interface, easy setups with only adding ROMs to USB or SD card, and automatic controller detection and efficient performance on low-end hardware like Raspberry Pi. So for the pros, you can actually simply install it. The performance is lightweight and it features automatic controller recognition with smooth experience. As for its cons, you can see right here that while it's good, some find Batocera platforms better on specific hardware. It also has limited customization and it's already core dependent, and performance for tower system depends heavily on the specific RetroArch cores. So do take note of that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.